Bug Club ebooks record data about pupil performance. To view reports, select Assessment from the top banner and choose Bug Club and Phonics Bug from under Activity Reporting. This page shows a class-level view of your pupils' reading activity. Use the drop-down menus to choose whether to view a class, group, or cohort. If you're linked to a class, your class will be shown to start with. Choose the period of time that you would like to view activity for. If you've allocated a book band via the Allocate Book Bands page, you will see your pupil's book band in the book band column. You can see the number of books and the number of activities within those books that your pupils have completed within the period selected. You can also see the percentage of green, amber and red activities. Green activities are those that a pupil's answered correctly on their first attempt. Amber are those a pupil has answered correctly on their second or third attempt. Red are those that a pupil has answered incorrectly. You can also view performance data across all books opened by a specific pupil. Click a pupil's name to view their report. You can open any book by clicking on its title. You may need to enable pop-ups to do this. You can sort the resource list by any of the following: pupil name, title, genre, book band, quizzes, pupil feedback, opened. You can also choose whether to display the book band, year and term, phonic phase, or reading recovery level of resources. This is in the top of the book band column. Circular traffic light performance icons are used to show the level achieved by the pupil in each activity in the last viewed resource. These activity icons are shown in order of skill area, allowing you to quickly assess pupils' performance. The different skill areas are as follows: word reading and fluency, literal comprehension, inference, themes and conventions, language for effect, and responding to the text. Traffic light ratings are interpreted as follows. Red means the pupil got an incorrect answer on all 3 attempts. Amber means the pupil got the correct answer on the second or third attempt. Green means the pupil got the correct answer on the first attempt, or the activity is unmarked. White means a pupil has not answered the question yet. A white icon where there's a hyperlink shows an activity that requires teacher feedback. Click on a white hyperlinked icon to view a written answer from the pupil. A pop-up will appear showing the question that was asked, the skill area, and the answer the pupil gave. You can leave a comment for the pupil in the box on the right, then choose a traffic light rating for their answer using the checkboxes below. If you don't wish the pupil to see the rating you've assigned, tick the box at the bottom of the pop-up. You can access suggested responses for comprehension questions in activities. To do this, click on an activity icon containing a hyperlink. If this is a comprehension activity, you will see a link to the Comprehension Answers PDF in the top left corner of the pop-up window. Click on this to see suggested responses for that activity.